Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design professional proposal documents in Canva, step by step, using the latest features in 2026. If you create proposals for clients, freelancers, agencies, or business projects, Canva can help you design clean, modern, and professional proposal documents without any design experience. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. From the homepage, click on the search bar and type proposal. You'll see many proposal templates, including business proposals, project proposals, and service proposals. Choose a template that matches your industry. For a professional look, pick a design with clean layouts, minimal colors, and readable fonts. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Now, let's customize the proposal step by step. Start with the cover page. Click on the title text and replace it with your proposal name, such as business proposal or project proposal. Add your company name, logo, and the client's name to make it personalized. Next, move to the introduction section. Update the text to briefly explain who you are and why you're sending the proposal. Keep this part short, clear, and professional. Now scroll down to the services or project details section. Replace the placeholder text with your actual services, scope of work, or project overview. Use bullet points where possible to keep everything easy to read. If the template includes icons or graphics, keep them consistent. Avoid adding too many decorative elements. Professional proposals should look clean and focused. Next, update the pricing or packages section. Click on each price box and edit the numbers carefully. Make sure the font size and alignment stay consistent across all pricing options. Now let's update colors. Select any element, change its color, and if Canva shows the Change All option, click it. This instantly updates the same color throughout the entire document. For fonts, stick to one heading font and one body font. This keeps your proposal polished and easy to read. If your proposal has multiple pages, use the duplicate page option to add new sections quickly. This is perfect for adding timelines, deliverables, or terms and conditions. Before exporting, double-check spacing, alignment, and spelling. Small mistakes can make a proposal look unprofessional. Finally, click on Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for high quality or PDF Standard for email sharing. And that's how you design professional proposal documents in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.